So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me what comes in the case of the actual AirPods Pro, especially those of you who want to actually open it. So essentially, I'm going to tell you right off the bat what comes with it. So you've got here the actual ear tips. So you've got another 3. They just come in with the actual AirPods. So in case you didn't know, they come in with sizes. You want to know the size, you just open them up a little bit just like this. And you can see here the size. Mine in this case is M, but you've got different sizes and you've got pairs. Therefore, imagine you've got an ear bigger than the other one, where without a doubt you can actually have them really customized. Then also you've got the actual charging from the AirPods. So you've got the cable, but you haven't got the adapter to the actual let's say electricity. Therefore, you've got to buy that also, or you can use one if you've got another iPhone or so on. And also remember that it comes in with the packaging. So you've got the cable, the actual ear tips, 3 different sizes, and top of the one that comes in with the actual AirPods, and then the AirPods and the case. Okay, as always, I think they are great, especially with the cancellation noise system, and I think they have got a great battery. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Okay, and thank you very much for watching.